after knowing what is active voice and what is passive voice, we will see how to change active voice into passive voice. My dear students, remember in class 9th you will not get the direct question of changing active voice into passive voice, but still you need to know the basic rules and pattern of changing active voice into passive voice. It will help you to solve the questions based on passive voice. Number 1. It total includes 5 steps to change active into passive voice, as you can see. Number 1 is change the object of the active voice into the subject of passive voice. Number 2, change the helping verb as per the rule. In next slide, we will discuss the rule of changing the helping verb. Number 3, use the third form of the main verb. You must remember the point number 3 always and very well, that we use only and only the third form of main verb. No confusion. Only third form of the verb. If it is passive voice, means main verb should be in third form. Remember it. Never do mistake in this. Number 4. Use preposition by. After the main verb, we use the preposition. It may be by or maybe some other prepositions as per the rule. Change the subject of active voice into the object of passive voice. All of you have done in your previous classes also, so I hope you remember, you have learnt all these things and practiced it. It is very easy to remember how to change the helping verb in a passive form. Just see, if the helping verbs are of continuous tense, present continuous or past continuous, you just need to add being plus third form. Third form is always same in passive sentences. It will be always the third form, as I told you in the previous slide. So, if active voice is having continuous tense, is, am, are, was, were, then we will change it into is, am, are plus being. You need to remember this being. No, don't get confused between being and been. With is, am, are we use being plus third form. Same with was, were. Okay, so you can keep it in a same group, same family. Both are changed by adding being plus third form. Number 2, if the active voice has, have or had, any of these, present or past, in passive form we will use has been, have been, or had, has or have, been will be added. Remember, just see the difference. Here we are adding being, and here in perfect we are adding been, and the form of the verb is same all the time. Okay, let's see the next. If active voice is having do, does, or first form alone, first form it may be, or it may be a first form plus ses, means simple present tense, present indefinite tense. Then we will change it into passive by changing do, does into is, am, are. As first form will be changed into is, am, are, and form of verb, as I told, third form only. If it is simple past, did, or second form, any of these has come in the sentence, we will change it into was, were plus third form. It is very easy to remember, as I told. Next, see the last, active voice and passive voice. Here, if you are having shall have, will have, in perfect we know, if has, have is there, we will add been, and the third form of the verb will be third form. Modals, all the modals, as we have done, can, could, may, might, any of those modals is given in active voice, we will do we will add be plus third form. Like if the modal in active is can, then we will do can be, and we will use third form of the verb. For example, He can help you. He can help you. Who can? He. And he is the subject. Subject is acting. So it means active voice. Can is the modal. How to change? You can be. Can plus be. Modal plus be. You can be. Third form. Helped by him. Okay.